Okay, Coco is gonna drink this medication because he's
Orange juice, little
coughing.
girl? You want orange juice?
Alright, here we go. Hold your juice, okay? Hold your juice. Hold
No,
your
Gatorade.
Gatorade, okay. Here we go. Take a deep breath. Deep breath and drink right away. Go, 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 go. Okay, drink your Gatorade. Drink your Gatorade.
You like to have cup?
Go, 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 go. Okay, good job. How was
Me
it?
too. I'm gonna share.
Drink a little bit more. Kelby, we have to buy you a different Gatorade, okay? Because we don't want you.
I like blue.
You like blue also?
I like all the colors.
Okay, no. Don't share to Kelby because you're sick.
Okay, come here now.
Okay? Thank you for sharing. So Kelby, we'll buy you
Even
a
water.
Gatorade, okay?
Wait, because I always have bloody nose.
Yeah.
Okay, this is Daddy.